Doktor nosi beli mantileć, kada boli vrata u stomak fin, stetoskop mu oko vrata visi, zdravlje čuva, sve nas leči. Učitelj nas svakog dana uči, slova, brojeve i znanja nam prenosi, na tabli piše, mirno zbori, da pamet svima lepo izgovori. Vatrogasac kada vidi požar i vatra plamsa, stiže brzo, ne ide sam, šlem i crijevo voda šiklja, on požar gasi dok sirena vrišti. Pekar u noć rano ustaje, testo mesi, hleb mu naraste, kipla pereca, vruć hleb miriše, dok cela pekara tiho diše. Vozač vozi kroz grad svaki dan, pecu ljude, svima je poznat, zastane na stanici, vrata otvori, pa pažljivo dalje put nastavi. Zanimanja ima mnogo svuda, svako nešto važno radi svuda, zato svima kažimo hvala ti, jer bez njih ne bismo mogli sami. A sad pevajmo na engleskom zajedno. The doctor wears a white coat, heals when the neck or stomach hurts fine. A stethoscope hangs around his neck, health preserves, heals us all. The teacher teaches us everyday letters, numbers and knowledge he conveys to us. It says on the board, speak calmly, to speak well to everyone. A fireman, when he sees a fire and the fire burns, it arrives quickly, it does not go alone. Helmet and hose, water shikya, he puts out the fire while the siren screams. The baker gets up early in the night, he kneads the dough, his bread rises. On pretzel, hot bread smells, while the whole bakery breathes quietly. The driver drives through the city every day, children, people, everyone knows him. He stopped at the station, opened the door, so proceed carefully. There are many occupations everywhere, everyone is doing something important everywhere. That's why we say to everyone, thank you, because without them, we could not do it alone. Beli mantileć, kada boli vrate u stomak fin, stetoskop mu oko vrata visi, zdravlje čuva, sve nas leči. Učitelj nas svakog dana uči, slova, brojeve i znanja nam prenosi, na tabli piše, mirno zbori, da pamet svima lepo izgovori. Baker teaches us every day, letters, numbers, and knowledge he conveys to us.